Hey everybody, this is my first PostStitch box. This is for March 2016, and I got the sock one. I just had a piece of paper covered up my address there. Let's open it up and see what we got in here. And we got some crepe paper. Ooh, okay, so here's the card. Oh, that is such a pretty pattern. Ooh, it looks like I've got some extra goodies. It has some information here. It tells you, if you're looking for alternate projects, you can check out their Pinterest board. That's actually really neat. Okay, let's see what else is in here. We got 3 hanks of, it's 100% wool, 140 yards, and I got 3 of these, and it has like your gauges, hand wash only, dry flat, and this is from brooklintweed.com. There we go, brooklintweed.com. Has some information about it. It's an artisan spun, woolen spun yarn made from the fiber of. Okay, so it goes into detail about the sheep and everything, which is actually really cool. But I'm excited to see what else is in here, because I thought I was just getting a sock pattern and some yarn. I didn't realize I was getting goodies. Great, so you got a project bag. So if you are working on your socks, all your stuff can go in this nice little bag. And oh, what else is in here? Okay, looks like I got some stitch markers. Ooh, some wool wash, I think. Yes, that is nice. Some cable stitch markers, and ooh, what is this? It is Never Stop Stitching 2-pack Stitcher's GPS. I have never seen this before, so I'm gonna have a look and see exactly what this is. Okay. Oh, you got a ruler. And oh, they're like stickers that you can remove and unremove. That is so cool. Okay, we got a book in here. Okay. Wow. And this is like a heavy cardstock. Of course, I'll just kind of skim through it for a pattern for the socks. And then as you're doing the pattern, you can use these stickers to mark off the things that you've gotten done. That is awesome. Okay, and I do have something special for everybody. The wonderful people at PostStitch Box actually offered a special discount code for my subscribers. And the discount code is Hypnotic 16, which is good for $10 off the first month of either box subscription. So you can get the Big Stitch or the SockStitch, which is the one I got. It does expire on April 30th. And all you have to do is enter the code at checkout and you're good to go. So that is amazing. So if you want to try out the PostStitch box before April 30th, you just sign up and you use the code Hypnotic16 and you will get $10 off. And that's really more than I would ever expected. A lot of companies will do maybe like 10% if you're lucky to get that. So it's a great time to try out PostStitch Box. Another note, some of the coupon codes I get are for limited quantities or limited time only. So do make sure that you are subscribed to my channel. The coupon codes do get emailed out to my subscribers first. And you do want to make sure, if you are subscribed, that you are set up to where you do receive emails for when I have videos come out. And there will be a little note with the video that will say whatever the special deal is and give you all the information about it. And the information I just told you is in the description below. So here we go. Yay! My first PostStitch box for March 2016. Very, very excited. I love, love, love all the extra little goodies that came with it. This will be so, so useful when I'm working on patterns. Thank you so much, everybody, for watching. If you do have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them in the description or below. The description below. Or you can just email me if you would like. My email address is in the description below as well. Don't forget to subscribe, and again, thank you for watching.